I'm a goer, not a shower, baby. So I'm back with gloves. What a flop shot. Cool. This seems like it's going to be a lot more work than I thought it'd be. I think I've saved these plants. I don't know what that is. I feel like it's just a root, but it smells like a... It smells like radish. Yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside. Hey guys. So, step 1. We've put soil in the bucket. Step 2. We've planted the seeds. Step 3. We've watered them. Now step 4. We wait. Hey guys, so I'm back and there's nothing grown yet. So I think there's a bit more waiting that we actually have to do. Yeah, but I'm not going to record myself waiting for a month. So I'll probably put some updates or something like that. And yeah, we'll see. We'll just keep growing. And we'll keep growing and we'll keep waiting and we'll keep waiting. And then when we've waited a bit more, we should have some peppers and tomatoes. And everything else that we're going to plant. Yeah. So I will see you guys soon with an update on my my soil. Cramped my toe. Oh, that was a really quick cramp. It wasn't like a 2-minute thing like last time. Oh,